There are three pillars that come to mind for me when working with Regenative Labs. The first one is clinical excellence. Manufacture high-quality products, and the different standards they satisfy in the manufacturing of their products is unparalleled from my experience in the market. Second thing is innovation. They are constantly working to figure out more ways to introduce the different types of products they utilize and they manufacture for different needs and different functions of those products. It's an emerging science with a long history, but the uses are really still being explored. And finally is compliance. Regenative goes to great lengths to ensure compliance with every product and all applicable state and federal laws. One of the key purposes of the FDA is to ensure public safety. And by complying with those regulations, you're ensuring that you're providing a clinically safe and clinically effective product to the marketplace, which keeps patient and physician confidence and the general populace confidence in the products in the marketplace. If you follow the standards, for example, of Section 361 of the Public Health Service Act, those standards are designed to ensure that physicians know what's going to happen when that product is injected or implanted or otherwise utilized in a human host. And by meeting those standards, we can confirm and ensure that the patients get the very best care and get the expected outcome that the physician desires.